Guys, this is a '03 Chevy Avalanche 1500 5.3 motor. I am going to give you a little info and hopefully save you some money. I overfilled my AC unit. I bought 3 cans. My lines were vacuum, so they told me at the parts store that I needed 3 cans to put in. Well, with doing that, I somehow overfilled it, and a couple days after my air was running perfectly fine, it started making a humming sound. After doing some research online, the humming sound said that I had overfilled it. So I'm going to just show you real quick how to save yourself some money, and it only takes a couple minutes to fix it. So I'm going to start my car, turn on the AC. Now go. I already popped the hood, which I'm sure you know how to do that. So I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to show you what I did. I put a towel underneath here. You don't want none of this stuff leaking on your stuff. Unscrew. Now this is the same spot where you filled it with this, or however you did it. Inside there, and here you can see it's like a bicycle tire. So someone had suggested to use this, hit this trigger like this, or hit the trigger and the air came out. Mine didn't really come out. I had to keep hitting it, and that was a pain in the butt. So what I did was I grabbed an Allen wrench, flat on one end. I took a glove because it gets cold and you don't want to burn yourself with that Freon. And then I took the towel as well. So I had this and this. And I held on to this and I set it in there with the glove and the towel, releasing the air. It literally took me less than 5 seconds to get what air I needed out. My motor started sounding fine and the AC is working perfectly. I just wanted to show you a quick fix that helped me and will save some money in the long run. It's 100 degrees here. I didn't realize on here I had to adjust the gauge, and that was my bad. Alright, my phone died. I had to go, not died, but it overheated. So I'm going to just do this real quick. So when you're done, put the cap back on. Phone's going to probably overheat again. Put the cap back on, pull your towel out, and you should be good to go. Sounds great. I hope my video helped you. I know with this weather being so hot out here in Cali, so it's 105 today. Beautiful weather. Anyway, have a great day. Hope my video helped.